A-tubes. Got another free lawnmower here. This was posted. I actually saw it while I was waiting at a place to getting my truck serviced. It's under a service agreement. Otherwise I would have did it myself. But I saw this posted, and it was nearby where we live, so I went ahead and told my wife, and actually she went and got it and put it in the back of her van. This is a Toro 163cc engine with a Briggs engine. I have this exact same engine on my Craftsman. This is a personal pace model. Came with a bag. This bag has probably never been used. It's not even connected right. And going through it, it's got a brand new air filter. And whoever it was who had it never even took this decal protector off of it from when it was new. So this should clean up nicely. And it's got the side discharge. I think that's probably what they used. So look for more videos on this coming up soon. And somewhat triaging this. There is what looks to be gas in the gas tank. Let me check the oil. There is oil in it. It's clean, and it looks okay. Okay, I may have to top it off. But now what I'm gonna do, see if this will run a little bit. Take this carpet spray to see if it'll run for a little bit. So it's probably a plugged up carburetor. Let me see if I can do it again. Yeah, this is probably a plugged up carburetor. I can't tell if the self-propelled worked because well, didn't run long enough. Also at the same address, this is brand new, or it looks to be pretty new Hunter fan. This might put this in at my mom's house, which is we're fixing up and selling. She's got an existing one, but all this stuff is gold color, not this brushed nickel. So I got to see if this fan works. It's a Hunter.